Yeah, good morning, everyone. So, US market saw some positive trend, mainly driven by the expectation of rate cut tomorrow, and also some negotiations which are going on with China for on tariff. So this has led to improvement in the US market. Asian market are also indicating more of a positive trend, except China and Hong Kong. Other market are indicating positive trend, and even uh, commodities are flat to positive, wherein iron ore is up by around 0.5% and steel is up by around 1.5% in China. Oil is up by around $0.5 and other base metals are more of a flattish. Overall, Indian market is also likely to see some positive trend in expectation of US negotiators has come to India yesterday night, and there could be some positive outcome from that. In that expectations, market may see some positive trend. Overall outlook continue to remain positive. We are consolidating at a higher level and may see some positive trend in coming period. And I'll request technical team to come take up from here.
Yes, thank you. So good morning, all of you. Today, the market is likely on a flattish note, and some positive move can be witnessed as all the reasons has been specified by channels. On the technical ground, from the last few trading sessions, we're witnessing an respect to the support of 25,000 psychological marks and heading at the higher levels. Now, going ahead, we believe that this pullback rally is likely to be continued and it will take on a high side towards 25,140. If it's break that level, then 25,200 levels can be seen on the high side. Whereas on downside, 24,940 is the initial support levels. As long as it maintains that support levels on the closing basis, the view will remain a positive and the up move rally can be seen. Any further breakdown of 24,940 levels will see some sort of a profit booking, which might take a Nifty back towards 24,870 to 24,800 levels on the lower sides. Coming towards the bank Nifty for today intraday purpose, the resistance is placed at around 55,350. About at level 55,600 be tested on the higher side, where on the lower side, put is placed at 50,870, 54,640 levels. So the view on the both the indices will remain on a positive side as long as they stays above the mentioned support levels. Stock specific emphasis really looks good on the technical front. Weekly charts indicates that stock has given the breakout of the cup and handle sort of formations on the line charts. Yesterday, it has given the breakout of the same with the decent volumes. We believe that the stock has a potential to reach up to 3,095, 3,100 levels on the high side. Currently, the counter is trading at 2939 levels. So one can take a long positions at the CMP by keeping a strict stop loss of 2855 for a target of 3095. Another interesting observations on the technical front on a positive side is Havels. This particular stock has yesterday given the consolidation breakouts well placed above all the three important moving averages, 50, 100 and 200 EMA. Uh, Also, the weekly chart also shows that the stock is on the verge of giving the consolidation breakout. So we are preempting the breakout at the CMP so that the risk reward ratio is in our favor. We are looking for a target of 1650 levels on the high side. One can go for a long position by keeping the strict stop loss of 1555. That's it from my end. I request the radio team to take a call for it.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, as we are seeing that the gift Nifty is likely to open on a flattish note. While from the 2 days of trading session, also we are seeing that Nifty is maintaining in the range of 25,000 to 25,100 level on the spot specific front. While on the future front, we are seeing that continuously Nifty is facing resistance at 25,300 level, where we will witness the major breakout on the future front, and on the spot specific will be 25,200 level. While in yesterday's session, in the second half, the selling which came from the upside level, due to which some sort of Colorado positions took place between the range of 25,100 to 25,300 strikes, while 25,000 strike is still holding a put rider positions strongly, due to which the support is intact for the market. So whomsoever is holding the long position should hold with the support of 25,000 level on the weekly basis, while PCROI yesterday closed at 1.08 level. PCR is also stable and at the positive note from last 1 week of a trading session. It is continuously maintaining above the position above one level from last 1 week of trading session, which is a positive sign. While the put writer positions we are seeing on the downside, it remains in the range of 25,000 to 24,800 level. Till the time this range is not getting broken out on the downside, till that point of time, the buying momentum will be positive in the coming days of trading sessions. While on the stock specific and sectoral specific front, counter that looks positive and sector that looks positive will be pharma, auto, and IT sector looks positive. Selective counters will be Tata Motor, Alchem Labs, Zydus Life, NBCC, and NHPC looks positive. While on the negative front, Bandhan Bank, SRF, and HCL Tech looks negative. So that's it from value to front. Thank you.
Yeah, not able to listen here.
She's having a problem. I think 1 second, I'll just tell.
Yeah. Vita, you may start because not able to listen to you.
Uh, Good morning, everyone. Today, one IPO is opening, Europratik Sales Limited. The company is engaged in the business of decorative wall panel and decorative laminates industry. The price band is set at rupees 247 per share on the upper end. The issue size is of rupees 451 crore, which is entirely an offer for sale. Post listing, the market cap is expected at rupees 2,524 crore. The company has two key business segments, that is decorative wall panel and decorative laminates. It considered it as a bottom line led company along with its asset light business model, where it is mainly concentrating on sales and marketing activities, as it has outsourced its manufacturing activities to contract manufacturers. It is currently engaged with around 36 contract manufacturers globally, that is 16 in India and 20 abroad. During FY23, it has achieved 16% market share by revenue in decorative wall panel segment industry, as per Technopark report. And company segment revenue stood at rupees 174 crore for the year. Total revenue stood at around 284 crore with 28% growth. In order to drive business growth, it is mainly focusing on R&D and innovation to meet the consistent changes in the consumer preferences. So also it is supported with a strong industry tailwind, having a strong double-digit growth, where it has the potential to outperform the industry, with an ability to generate high profitability. However, if we look at the financial performance, we remain conscious about the company's high working capital requirement, where working capital days stood at 169 days as on March 25. This is mainly led by inventory as well as receivable days. In addition, it has delivered low revenue growth of around 4% CAGR between FY23 to 25, and EBITDA grew by around 14% CAGR during the same period. Overall growth in FY25 was mainly led by its merger of associate company, while it has not been able to generate positive operating cash flows during the year. The management indicated that company's working capital requirement to remain high in the future. This despite the issue is offered at an attractive P valuation of around 33 times to FY25 EPS, compared to the industry average of 70 times. We have a neutral view on the issue. Thank you.
Yeah, apart from that, few more news. Sangvi Mover has got a good large order of around 292 crores, which has to be executed over a period of next 12 months, starting from Q2. This is more related to BOP, that is balance of plant work for wind farm. So that will be in the subsidiary company, which company has started in last year and growing very well. So this will act as positive for Sanghvi Movers. Apart from that, Adani Enterprises has got one large order of uh, around 6,000 crores. This is related to one ropeway projects which they will be putting up under built on operate basis and transfer. This is between Sonprayag to Kedarnath, and this will be implemented over a period of 6 years, 3 years, and then the concession will be for 29 years. Sorry, 6 year and then concession for 29 years. So this is a new segment which is getting built up in Adani Enterprises and can act as positive for Adani Enterprises. Then Maruti Suzuki has introduced Victory's new variant of SUV at a base price of 10,50,000 and going higher end up to even 19 lakhs. So this can drive the demand with the uh, festival seasons and act positive for Maruti Suzuki. Yeah, that's all from us. And I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So yesterday we had witnessed gold silver prices rising from the support area. Today also the momentum should continue. Buying on dips around 1,09,800 is recommended in gold, and maintain a stop loss of 1,09,500. On upside, 1,10,200 to 1,10,500 are the levels where we expect some profit booking. Silver to buying on dips around 128,500 is recommended with a stop loss of 127,500. On upside, 130, 1,30,000, 1,30,500 are the areas where one should book profits. Also, in base metals, copper prices are supportive at 915 to 913 zone. So buying on dips is recommended. However, profit booking is advisable on higher end at 920 levels. And in zinc to buying is recommended around 281 with a stop loss of 279. On upside, 283, 285 are the levels where one should take profits. And in crude oil, we are expecting prices to pull back. So buying on dips around 55.70 is recommended and maintain a stop loss of 5,500. On upside, it is expected to test the resistance area at 56.50, 56.80. So profit booking is advisable on higher end. And in natural gas, we are expecting prices to test 275 to 80 on upside. So buying on dips around 262 is recommended and maintain a stop loss of 255. So that's it from us. Thank you very much.